Hi everybody, it's David at Discount Forklift. I am standing here with this beautiful 3,000 pound reach stand-up forklift. Her name is Eleanor. I'll tell you, all of our forklifts are named. They all like to be addressed by their name, just like you and I do. So a little tip, when you get a forklift, if she's got a name, address her by name, she'll work a little harder for you. I want to go through and show you this forklift and some of the features on it. But before that, I want to show you something that we do for every customer, every forklift that we sell. First thing we do is we send this equipment maintenance guide. This is our own guide here. There's all kinds of good information and tips in here. Give you lots of education. Behind this tab here is one of the best things. There is your periodic checkoff forms here. You can go through and fill these out. I always recommend that people leave these in the original in the book here, photocopy them right out of there. Then you always know where there's a good clean original to photocopy. We also send along this forklift troubleshooting guide. This is something that our guys put together, questions that are asked many times over the years to help you out and stuff. So that should help you. It's going to go in this nice goodie bag that I'm going to send you. Also going to put a hat in there. This one's a Lift Hero hat for a forklift that we represent. We like the Lift Heroes a lot. And here's a t-shirt. This is the evolution of lifting. Here's the front, and here's the back. Put that in the bag. Let's walk around the forklift and talk about the forklift and the way we do things. Show you some things on there. First off, you'll notice that this has a new service sticker on it. It's just been serviced. Before a forklift goes out, within the last 30 days, we'll have somebody look at it, and before a forklift actually goes out, we will also have the guys look it over one last time. Since we're right here, I'm going to show you this. Here's your emergency disconnect on your battery. If you push that down, then you can cut your power there, obviously. This is a reach forklift, so the carriage comes out. I'll demonstrate that here in a minute. One of the things we do on all of our forklifts is paint the forks. We're big on painting the forks red with the yellow tips. Very convenient if you are in the dark part of the warehouse, particularly on a reach forklift, but on another forklift, if you're out in the parking lot, it's about dusk or whatever. It's important to know where your forks are, though. That helps you a lot. See where the forks are. We want everybody to go home safe and sound at the end of every day. Before I start this up, let me show you here. There's what they call a dead man switch on the bottom here. So when you step onto it, you literally have to step on that. Nothing will happen on the forklift until you are standing on that dead man switch here. You've got obviously a key here. There's no grinding to it like a engine would do, but just turn it on. It's going to go through its checks here. It's asking me about the dead man and stuff. So when that comes off, you know you're good to go. Let's talk about the controls. You've got two-handed controls on this. This control right here will do your up, down, side shift, tilt, the fork in and out, all of that. And your steering is on this one over here. So it is a two-handed operation. And on the bottom of this, let me point this out. You can't see it, but on the bottom of here is the switches here for, see if I can tip that back. You can see the little buttons down here. Okay, there's our self-test done. And just incidentally on this one here, you have to wait until it's done its self-check to actually step on the dead man. It continues to have that question mark on there until you step off of it and step back on. So there's your forks up. Here's your up and down. Bring that. Here's your tilt. And I'm going to bring that fork in to operate it there. So if you push this control handle down, you're going to go forward. If you lift it up, you're going to go in reverse. And you can control your speed by how fast you, how far down you push that stick. And you can see I'm using the knob on the left-hand side here to steer the forklift. Backwards. Okay. Find a spot here where I can So here's your fork out. Here's your fork back. That's the buttons on the bottom here. Here's your forks down. That's the four-way button there, if you will. That's your tilt. Here goes your, this is the switch that's on the top of the hand control here. And down is on the other side there. Here's your tilt down. Here's your tilt up. Side shift to the left, side shift to the right. And all the way down there. So it takes a little getting used to drive a stand-up as opposed to one of the sit-downs, but it comes pretty easily. They really are very maneuverable. Good forklifts, especially in tight quarters. At Discount Forklift, we are the guys to see for all of your forklift needs. Call us anytime. And here's your serial number on this one. Thank you.